Think you have no time to prepare a nutritious dinner? Think again. I have a great chicken margherita recipe that can be prepared in 15 minutes using Ragú margherita pasta sauce. Plus, it costs less than $3 per serving. Season chicken, if desired, with salt and black pepper. Heat oil in a 12-inch nonstick skillet over medium-high heat and brown chicken, turning once, about 5 minutes. Add Ragú Old World style margherita smooth pasta sauce and simmer covered 5 minutes or until chicken is thoroughly cooked. Top chicken with cheese, then let stand until cheese is melted, about 1 minute. Serve, if desired, with hot cooked penne pasta topped with additional Ragú Old World style margherita smooth pasta sauce. Garnish with basil. This is a great recipe that delivers veggies, variety, versatility, and value. Ragú helps feed our kids well. I'm Robin Miller.